shaking. Okay.
Maybe it's afraid.
I got live. Okay. Okay, still hiding inside. On the dike.
I think it's having a hard time digging itself out. There you are. Pretty small.
Yeah. Okay.
Hindi ka na ba talaga nakatayuan?
Hindi na, bro. Wala sana akong lakad.
Bundok, oh.
Wala sana matry yan eh.
Lalakad tayo sa
Lalo dun, oh.
ridge line. Ayan, eh.
Pinagusto ko dun eh. Mag-boat tayo, tapos tatalon ako dun. Gamit yung goggles ko.
Kailangan videohan.
Boom.
Kailan tayo magkita ulit? December 30, birthday na gano'n.
Oo. Sabihan mo si Ian. Kailan ba dating ni Ian?
December 30.
Lots of attack. It's all lots of attack.
Naging lupa yun, di ba?
Sa jeep lang.
Where are you?
Sand attacks.
Makapunta ka na ba sa ano? Sa may Susana?
So where are you at now? I think it's
Susana.
exhausted. Maybe it's tired.
Sa may...
Oh, it's gone.
Let's go.
Sa Muntinlupa, simbahan.
Wow.
Oo, wala pa na ako.
Doon lang malapit na
It know how to disappear.
May proximity, CLB.
Okay. Wait, long.
Where is it?
Hindi ba, pangin lang.
One feisty guy.
Okay.
2 days na na.
Is that it? Which one? That's not the one.
Kabit. Pwede.
Sino sasama? Sino dun?
Marami.
Andun.
Tatlo.
So, kaya ng dati lang yakap, nagsabay mo yung dalawa sa isang lugar na ang tigas ng mukhang lasing na eh.
Okay. Huh?
We will go now.
Yeah, going to leave now.
Okay, we carry it and go back.
Let's send them to the...
Okay.
That would be so nice. Wow, got to miss this place. A lot of beaches. I've been. Oh ba?
Baka maligaw. Dito sila.
Pwede naman dito lang kami duman ulit.
Hindi na, dito na mas malapit.
Ah, saan?
Siguro nang gagawin pa tayo dun.
Ah, bye. It's been a nice night.
Salamat po.
Yeah. Nice, bye. Beautiful. Sticks. No. Wow, look at the time. Alvin, alis na kami. No?
Ingat na lang.
Oo nga eh. Actually, yung kinukunan ko yung oh yeah. At your 3 o'clock. And you may be excited.